Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to increase or decrease ringtone volume and other volumes in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. So to adjust ringtone volume and other volume, what you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration here, and here select volume, and here you have the options to adjust all volumes like ringtone, media, notifications, system. Okay, so if you would like to increase ringtone, you have to move this point to the right side. If you would like to, this is maximum sound. If you would like to decrease it, you have to move this pointer to the left side. Okay, so the similar way, this is for media. Okay, this is for notification, this is for system. Okay, so in this way you can adjust the ringtone volume and other volume. Also you have other options using the buttons. On this right side of your phone you will find two buttons. This is called volume buttons. Okay, just press on it, and you will, if you press up, and your volume will be increasing. Okay, this is ringtone volume. Okay, to decrease, you have to press downward button. Okay, here itself you can go to the other volumes, volume 2. Okay, what you have to do is just one press this button, then here touch on this three dots. Okay, see here, touch on these three dots, and you will get all other volumes also. Okay, that is the ringtone volume and other volume. Okay, so in this way also you can adjust ringtone volume and other volume. Okay, see here, this is for notifications, this is for system, this is for ringtone, this is for media. Okay, so in this way you can easily increase or decrease ringtone volume and other volumes in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.